In this video, I would like to show you the indicator Commodity Channel Index indicator. Commodity Channel Index indicator is also called CCI, and it is a momentum indicator. This indicator it's a separate indicator window that generally contains the level -100 and +100. If you see this picture, you can see that the CCI indicator here it's in a separate window, and it is normally with the levels +100 and -100. So how to use the CCI indicator in forex trading? CCI indicator can be used in both range markets and also in trending markets. So to use CCI indicator in range markets, CCI indicator is used to find the oversold and overbought regions. That means this indicator is used as a oversold and overbought regions indicator in range market. As we said, there are normally two levels for this one, +100 and -100, and if the indicator moves above +100 line, this means that this is an overbought condition, and if the indicator moves below -100 line, this is an oversold condition. This is only for the range markets. That means if the indicator is moving above +100 or -100, uh, it means that they are going to overbought or oversold regions, but this should be used only for the range markets. In a range market, a buy trading signal occurs when the CCI indicator moves from below the -100 line to above the -100 line. That means from the oversold region into the normal region. The buy trade should be closed when the CCI indicator moves to the overbought region from below the +100 line to above the +100 line. So if you see this one, this is the range market here, and at this point the indicator is moving from below -100 line to above +100 line. So this is your entry point for a buy trade, and the trade should be closed when the indicator is moving above the +100 line from below the +100 line. So at this point you should close the buy trade. Similarly, a sell signal occurs when the indicator moves from above the +100 line to below the +100 line, that is from overbought region to the normal region. The sell trade should be closed when the CCI indicator moves to the oversold region from above -100 line to the below -100 line. So if you see in this picture, see the CCI indicator is moving from above the +100 line to below the +100 line. So this is a sell signal here, and the trade should be closed when the indicator is moving from above the -100 line to below the -100 line, which is the point here. So this is the close of the sell trade, and these are again another buy signals and sell signals in a range market, and this is applicable for only range markets. Uh, in a trending market, you should not use this indicator as an oversold or overbought indicator. So how to use the CCI indicator in a trending market? Let's say the trend is downwards, that means it's a downtrend, and when there is a downtrend, CCI -100 line can be used as a basis for the short trades. That means when there is a downtrend, you can see that the trend is downwards at this point, and you can use the -100 line as the base one, as the basis for entering the short trades. Enter short trade when the indicator is moving from above the -100 line to below -100 line. Exit the trade when the indicator is moving from below -100 line to the above -100 line. So if you see this one, see the trend is downwards, and the indicator is started moving, is crossing the -100 line from above. So this point is your entry point for a sell trade, and when the indicator starts moving above the minus 100 line, you should close the trade. So at this point, if you see, there are almost like one, two, three short signals it is giving. The first one is here where the indicator is moving the minus 100 line from above to below at this point, at this third point, and also the fifth point. So these are the trading signals provided by CCI in a trending market. Divergence. CCI can also be used to find out if the trend is weakening by finding out the divergences. So again, divergence is of two kinds: bearish divergence and bullish divergence. Bearish divergence occurs when the price is making higher highs but the indicator is making lower highs. Bullish divergence occurs when the price is making lower lows but the indicator is making higher lows. If you see this picture, the price is making lower lows but the CCI indicator is making higher lows. So this is a bullish divergence. So you can use the CCI indicator for trading divergences also. So these are the three ways that we can use the CCI indicator for trading forex markets. One is CCI indicator in range markets, second one is CCI indicator in a trending market, and third one is CCI indicator to trade divergences. Thank you.